Hello, yes, this is the deep, yes. Anyway, yeah, let me introduce myself. This is Morris. Once again, the Kenyan Hexagon, and here we're doing a little small analysis, clean analysis, pure price action of Pepe. Pepe is a meme coin on the PulseChain blockchain, and it is also on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to purchase Pepe or on any listed network, you can be able to buy the meme coin. So basically, now here we are looking at Pepe on the Pulse blockchain, and now you can see it is Pepe against the wrapped wrapped Pulse PLS on PulseX, and you're looking at the weekly time frame. All right. So this is the chart, and this is the price it is trading. Right now, it is trading at 0.504548, and you can see this is how the price has been trading. Just to back it up a little bit for maybe anyone who is new here, this is a chart, and it represents price performance of an asset. And right now we are looking at Pepe. Pepe is as I have said, it is a meme coin. Meme coin is just is a token that has a lot of hype in the real market, and people are hyping about it. And now that has been tokenized, and now it is represented on a blockchain. And this is how it has been trading. So one of the use cases is that this is an asset. You can use it to maybe do a lot of things as it has been designed. Yeah, so yeah, just do more research about it. But basically, that is Pepe, and this is how it has been trading. The green candlesticks here represent how price has been performing on the weekly time frame, and the red candlesticks represent how price has been performing on the weekly. But now they represent the selling momentum, and the green represent bullish momentum. Yeah, so this is how it has been trading since it was launched to the market, and that was around May 2023. Actually, that is when PulseChain had the the snapshot of the hard fork from now the Ethereum blockchain. So PulseChain is a hard state fork of Ethereum blockchain, and everything that was existing on the PulseChain on the Ethereum blockchain, it was copied on the PulseChain blockchain. And everyone who had any token or asset on the Ethereum blockchain had a copy now on the PulseChain blockchain. So around this time, it's when it started trading on the market. Now this Pepe, and this is how a price representation of the chart. So make sure your chart is at log every time. You make sure you have set it up here, and this is the time frame where you can switch on different time frames. So here we can be able also to see the highest price it has been 0. How many zeros? 0.00004 zeros to 817. That is the highest it has been, and this is the lowest it has been, $0.605396. Okay, and this is the price it is trading at right now. So now this big all this fast that you're getting into the in the social medias about the price crashing and all that, it is well represented here. Especially now this Pepe, it is one can say price is crashing, but rather it hasn't gone down from where it started. When it goes down up to this point, you can say now the price has crashed, or the price is has gone up to zero. So that is not the case, and now this is well represented here. Again, now this is now the weekly, and we can just decode a lot of information here. This is the highest high, the lower high, and this is the lower high here, and we can see price is making like a W. Let me show that, like a W here, and just that is to show there's a pattern when called double bottoms. Now whenever you see it on a chart and it is represented like this, it means that the price is about to get to bounce and continue going up. Okay, so you just confirm that once it breaks this zone here, which is the neckline. Okay, so price is like fetching some liquidity here at the current place where it is, and remember, it is one of the lowest points this price has ever been. You can see previously it was around the same place, and this area again here, almost here again, but then it didn't get to the deep, okay, or to this low here, and then we had this another one here. So this is a significant representation or analysis, just to explain that price, once it reaches at this point, this is a strong support zone, and we can see it is represented there. So it is very easy now to decode and say price might bounce from this area here, and price might now start pumping up, like making this impulse move. All right, now back to our analysis here. This is the weekly time frame, and we are here, so we can just draw another trend line here so that we can confirm that information quite clearly. You can see once you draw that trend line there, it's nice and clean. You are able now to see where the sections where price did some reactions. So this is the first one, this is the second one, so almost the third one here, price didn't touch, but then it was rejected, and then this is quite evident. So this again now to explain that if price bounces off this area here and breaks this trend line here and maybe retest, which is very healthy, it will mean that price will keep now going up. Now that is Pepe on PulseChain. All this is liquidity coming on the PulseChain blockchain. So anyone buying Pepe will have now to buy Pulse and then now swap it to Pepe. Yeah, I think we can do that on another different video. But now this is the price representation. Anytime you are looking maybe to invest, this is the first or part of the analysis that you should do, or do in your own research. Again, I'll repeat, I am not a financial advisor. You make sure you make your own informed decision and research based on these assets so that you can make informed decisions. All right. So these are now the key areas where price has made significant moves. So these will be our next areas where we will be confirming that the bulls are taking over the market, and they are breaking past these lower highs that were created. So right now the market is making a significant signal to show that it is bouncing off. Yeah, it might consolidate, it might not consolidate, but on a very closer look here, which is now on the daily time frame, you can see as you go down, you'll in the smaller time frames, you'll be able to see how price is reacting on these different key zones here. So this is what is happening here in the market. The market, let me delete this. You can see there has been a big surge in the market in the last one day. That was yesterday. Yeah, you can see price actually pumped quite high, and it is now on the verge of going to break above this breakout of this trend line, which is a resistance zone. So once price does that, we are going to maybe reconfirm that the bulls are in. So this is a very big signal right now. If you are looking at this might be a good entry for you, like the way you usually hear buy the dip. Actually you buy the low and you make profit. Any price above this, you'll always be on profits. So back to the weekly time frame. On the last analysis that we are looking at today, it's to show how long has this asset been down, or what percentage has this asset been down. So you pick this tool, the price range, and you just measure from the lowest it has been up to no, it should be the opposite. Yeah, so let's delete these. We capture it again, the price range here, then from the highest it has been up to the lowest now where the price is, or the price as is currently here. This asset, this Pepe on PulseChain is down 84%. It is down. Actually, it is on a discount. If you are buying it, you are buying it at a discount of 84% from the highest it has ever been. So this is a good opportunity right now to buy the dip. And yeah, I've said you just need a MetaMask wallet and you are good to go. You purchase Ethereum, you swap it to PulseChain, and then you swap it now to Pepe. Yeah, so either way, this is how it is trading. Make sure you make your own informed decision. So thank you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one.